Yo, what's good people, it's JCraft here from Digital Trap. I'm here to show you the all-in-one kit we've got for grabs on our site. It's free and it's like the best of every kit that we've got on our site. You've got everything you need to cook up with. It's got 808s and basses, claps, snares, FX, hats and perks, hits and stabs, kicks, loops and samples, midis, perk loops and vocals and chants. So yeah, let's get into it. I'll go through the 808 and basses. Yeah, we've got some nice different, like a variety of smoother stuff, more distorted heavy as well, claps and snares. And these are the FX. Jeez. Hats and perks. A lot of perks in this one actually. It's a full one. Some nice drums there from the Classics kit. Classics kit is more of an old school kit. Some nice sounds in there. Some nice sounds in it. So yeah, those of you that are interested, this one's free. You can download it on our site. These are the hits. The epic sounding beats. You want to get this epic. Some nice kicks. Solid kicks in this kit. Proper solid kicks. Ooh. Use the crisp for this one as well. I've got a selection of sounds from this kit that I'm going to be cooking up with, loops and samples. So yeah, we're giving you guys some serious samples and loops in this kit. Can cook up some bangers with these. There's either like the slower, like Bryson Tiller shit. Yeah, there's some fire on it, some sauce. Woohoo! Show you guys what we're working with the loops and samples. Yeah, if any of you cook anything up with these loops and samples and this kit in general, just tag us in your stories on Instagram and we'll repost you. Love to hear what you guys are cooking up with them. Ooh. Gucci. Burr. Some nice loops, man. Ooh. Yeah, a lot of vibes in here, man. A lot of different vibes we're giving away. Ooh. Whew. And then MIDI, perk loops.
Bass. Watch this. Bass.
So yeah, let's get into it. I found one of the midis that I'm going to use in here. I'm going to use a Men's too. I put that into Omnisphere. I've got a little sound going. I've sped it up a little bit. I've got a 150. All these sounds I'm using to cook up are from the kit, from the free kit. Just gonna EQ that offbeat snare, get out the low end. I'm gonna chuck Shaper Box on this MIDI that I put into Omnisphere. Shout out Cable guys. Yeah, if you chuck Shaper Box on there, just you can get a nice little different rhythm going with it. it's a rock. I think we did it.
Smells beautiful.
So yeah, that's the free kit that we got up for grabs. You can go onto Instagram, go onto the bio and download that for free. Let us know what you're cooking up with it. Tag us in your stories on Instagram and we'll repost onto our page as well. Good to see what you guys are cooking up with it. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.